because it's very small. But just to give Eva some hint, okay, Brandy, how about you help Eva to do this one? Ava, sorry. How about you help Ava to do this question? So what times 4 equals 12 plus 16? How about you help her?
What do you mean by help?
So tell her how you did it.
12 plus 16 equals 28.
Mhm.
And I know that 7 times 4 equals 28.
Very good. So we're always starting with one side. Okay, Eva? So always starting with one side, then working on the other side. Okay, so that these questions. So 25 first. So what times 5 equals 25? 5 times 5. Okay, so here 30. So what times 2 times what equals 30? 15.
15.
Something like that. Okay, so very good. So today we're going to learn something is called, I think we learned it before, but I think most of you, including Potato King, including Brandy, including Enzo, I think a little bit forgot. Okay, everybody, maybe you're not remember this very well. So today we're going to study this one. Okay, so the thing is called, oh my God. It's called mean. Everybody, do you still remember what is mean?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so Ryan, can you tell me what is mean? Ryan, you just mute yourself. Ryan. Potato King, oh, I'm sorry. Potato King, can you tell me what is mean?
Average.
Very good. Okay, Enzo, do you still remember what is average? Okay, so today we're going to learn what is the mean, what is the mode, what is the median, and also what is the range. Okay, so first of all, mean is the average of a data set. For instance, Brandy, can you give me a number?
17.
Okay. And Enzo, could you please give me a number?
23.
23, okay. So Ava, can you give me a number?
31.
31, okay. So in order to find out the mean of these numbers, Lilac, can you tell me how you do it? You plus all of them together, correct?
And then you
And divide 3.
divide up how many numbers there are.
Very good. So there are 3 numbers. Very good. So everybody, can we just add up this one? Let's see if this one's a good number. Okay, so 40 plus 31 equals 71 divided by 3. Okay, so unfortunately, this number cannot be divisible by 3, but it's okay. We can do its fraction, right? So 23 and 2/3. Get it, everybody? So that is the mean of these numbers, okay? So now let's take a look at mode, okay? So we're gonna learn, first of all, so mean and median, okay? So there is a very easy, sorry, I'm just going to explain one by one. So what is mode? So Emma, can you give me 2 numbers, same numbers?
2, 2.
Okay, 2, 2. Okay, Athene, can you give me one number?
3.
3, okay, very good. 1 second. So 3. Okay, so Brandy, can you give me 2 numbers?
7, 1.
7, 1. Okay, very good. So in order to find out the mode, that is the most common numbers that in data set. What does it mean? That means a number showing up very often, right? So I want to ask Enzo, can you tell me which number is the most common number here?
2.
Very good. Okay. So my question is, if I have a number 223711, so who can tell me what is the mode of these numbers? So obviously, 2
3.
appear 2 times,
3.
and 1 also appear 2 times.
Oh,
Okay,
wait, no.
so the thing is, they are going to be mode is 1 and 2. Get it, Eva? Okay, so we're going to have 2 modes for these questions. Okay, Emma, remember?
Okay.
Okay, so now let's look at the median. So how do we do median? Median is the middle number of the set of the number, but we first need to put them into order. That is the most important thing, okay? So Evan, can you help me to put them into order?
1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 7.
Very good. Okay, so everybody, who can tell me what is a medium, this number? So this number is weird, okay, because they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the middle number will be these two. And in order to find the median, Brandy is putting these two numbers and divided by 2. Understand? So for this question will be 2 because 2 and 2 is the same. But for instance, if I give you a number, a set of number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for these numbers, Ava, so can you tell me what is a mean?
3 and 4.
So it is, so the median is 3 plus 4 and divided by 2. Understand? But if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is a median, Potato King?
3.
Very good. Understand? So that is a part that when you have the even numbers of the numbers, then remember that the middle two numbers you need to plus together and divide it by 2. Remember.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Do you all understand what is mean, mode, median? Okay, all understand. Okay, very good. So let's move forward. Ah, no, what happened? Come on. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. What is the differences between mean and median? Okay, mean is talking about a set of number. You need to plus them together and make them even. That is very important thing. I want you to everybody pay attention to this one, okay? Because when you're in the higher level, like grade 8 or grade 9, then that's something that's going to tell the differences between you and the super smart people in this world, okay? So we have 10, 10, 20, 40, and 70. So first of all, I want everybody calculate what is the mean of these 5 numbers, please. Yeah, please, you do it.
Is it 30?
Okay, so you plus them together
Yeah, 30.
equals what? 150. They divided by 5 equals 30, okay? So 30 means what? Everybody, I want you to pay attention right now, okay? Because I know probably some of you has learned what is mean before, but what is true meaning of mean is making every number the same. Understand? So that is a meaning of mean, everybody, or the average, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So before we have 5 numbers, they're different, right? 10, 10, 20, 40, and 70, okay? Everybody, I want you to pay extra attention to this, okay? But now, instead of 5 different numbers, we have 5 same numbers. So what's happening here?
Yeah, you just do 30.
Yeah, so the thing is, because 70 is having extra 40 in order to make himself 30. So he is sharing this 40 to
10, 10.
20 to 10, 20 to 10. Get it? Get it? So that's how we get it, okay? And this 40 said, whoops, I have some extra 10. So 20 said, oh, I don't need it. So 40 gave the 10 to 20. Get it? So this is a story here, okay? So 70 and 40 is very generous. And he or she is giving the extra points to the people who's shorter. So in order to make everybody the same, understand? So now I want to ask Lilac a very good question, okay? So if you are a rich people, you want to be averaged or not be averaged?
Not be average?
Good job, okay? Of course, because you are going to giving your money to the people who is not as rich you are. Okay, so Athene, my question is, if you don't have a lot of money, do you like average or not averaged?
No, I don't like.
You still don't like it? No. If you don't have a lot of money, you probably
Oh, I
gonna
like it, but-
yeah, of course, right? So for instance, I'm going to give you a question, okay? For instance, okay? So Lilac get 90 points, okay? Very good. Okay, so Brandy only have 10 points, okay? Brandy said, that's not fair. Okay, just to make, for example, okay, Lilac or Carrie, 好不好？ Carrie 就拿了5分，老师就拿了5分，OK？ 好了，Lilac 拿了90分。 So in order to make Lilac and Carrie the same, so what's going on? Lilac's point plus Carrie's point and divided by 2 equals 50. So that means Lilac minus 40, Carrie plus 40. Get it, everybody? So that is how the average goes. So who doesn't like average? The people with extra points, extra money, extra everything. Who loves average? The people who's below the average or having the poor points or poor money or like that. Understand, everybody? So that is the meaning of average. So what is the median? Median is not going to change the data at all. Median is just telling you for all of them, which one is in the middle. Okay, it's not necessarily middle of the number, but the position. Understand, Emma? So for instance, for this one, the average what is 20. Sorry, the average is 30, the median is 20. Understand, everybody? Okay, so this is very important, okay? So now let's take a look at this one. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So what is the mode for this option, for this question? So everybody, could you please send the answer by chat to me?
I must do the chat. Yeah.
Okay, very good. So the answer is 21. Good job. Okay, because 21 appears 3 times. That's the most popular number. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So for these questions, what is a median? Okay, and also if you have an even set and what is the, so okay, I already gave you the answer for this question, so forgive me. Don't worry about it. I'm a very nice person. I give you the answer immediately. So everybody, let's take a look at this one, okay? So Jaden is a student in our class, for instance, has finished the 7 homeworks with a score of 92, 95, 93, 91, 89, and 87, 97, okay? So I want you to find out what is the average score, and also please tell me what is the median of his score. Okay, everybody, please do that.
Here. Four.
Thank you, Ava. Good job. And you didn't tell me the medium yet. Athene, 你给我告诉我 medium 了，然后你有没有告诉我 median average？加油 ，OK。So first of all, we're gonna list them in order, right? Okay, so the medium is very easy, right? You just list them and the medium is 92. So good job, Athene. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So how do we find out, Emma, take a look, okay, so why your calculation is wrong. So I'm going to put these two together, equals what? 100 and
no,
what? And 80.
80. Yeah.
Okay,
No,
and I'm gonna put these
yeah.
two against 180. Okay, then I'm gonna put these two again, so 187. Correct, and plus 97. So these two equals 482. 284 plus 360 equals 644. I'm going to divide this one by 7. Okay, so 7963 14 92. Okay, so the answer is, for this question, the mean is 92. The median is also 92. Get it, everybody? So this is nothing special. It's just a very basic plus and division one. 对不对？做错的小朋友，要不要打屁股？Yeah. Okay, okay. So let's take a look at number 2, okay? So number 2 is just a basic practice, okay? I want you to give me the mean, the mode, and median for the following data. So I'm going to do the first question together with you, okay? So Brandy, can you tell me, in order to find out the mode, what is a mode for the first question?
3.
Very good. Mode equals 3. That's very easy. So median equals what? Enzo.
3 plus 4.
3 plus 4. Let's see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Please put them in order first, right? So what is in the middle 2? So these are 2. So the medium is 3 still. Get it, Ava? Okay, so what does it mean? So you're putting them together. So all plus together. So I know 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. So plus 3 equals 18. So 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So everybody, for this question, the mode, the mean, the mode, the median, the mean is all 3. So all of them equals 3. Get it, everybody? So this is how we do it. Okay, Ansel? Everybody, so please do number 2 and number 3 yourself. It's okay. You don't have to eat it. So 2 and 3.
Okay. Wait, did I do number 2? I did that. Yeah, I already did it. 老师，我已经做了。2、3。
你 mode 和 medium 都做了。
好。
没有。 Okay, Evan the fish has sent me the first question. So Evan, take a look, okay? For the medium, especially like these have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 6 numbers. So you're right for finding the 2 and 8. But the thing is, we only have one medium, but not two mediums. So in order to find the medium is what? 6 plus 8, and then divided by 2. Understand? If you have 5 numbers, for instance, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. So the medium number is just the only number. So you just circle it and write it down. But because it's an even number of the numbers, and if you want to find the medium, you want to find the middle number, but there are actually 2 numbers in the middle. So you need to divide it by 2. Okay, so the first mode is very easy. It's 10, right?
Yeah.
And for the medium, it is 6 plus 8 divided by 2 equals 7. And how about mean? Mean equals what? We need to plus them all together. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. So 10, 10. So they are basically 40, and 40 divided by 6. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 40 divided by 6, some people say, okay, it's not divisible. Yes, I know. So it's simplified as 20 over 3. So the answer is 6 and the 2 over 3. Okay, so let's take a look at number 3. Okay, everybody, I give you some time to do number 3. So I think the mode, yeah, you forgot divided by 2, but it's okay, Evan. So now let's take a look at the mode for the second question. So I'm going to call in Athene. Can you tell me the mode for the second question is what?
3.
Very good. And how about medium, Potato King? Potato King?
He said his Wi-Fi was bad.
Okay, maybe not. Yeah. Enzo, can you tell me what is a medium?
Yeah, Wi-Fi.
Okay, I know your Wi-Fi is bad, right? So the medium's pretty easy because we can 5, 3, and 3 in the middle. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2 equals 3, correct? And let's see the mean. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9, 9 plus 5 equals 15, 14, 14 plus 10 equals 24. So 24 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the mean, this one is 4. So the answer is 3, 3, and 4. Good job, Potato King. Okay, everybody. Do you understand, Eva? Understand, Enzo? Okay, if you don't understand, you can stop me and I can explain, okay? So everybody, let's take a look at number 4, okay? So number 4, there is a number which is negative here. Okay, so some students said, I don't know how to do it. So the thing is, my suggestion is putting all the positive number together, then just a minus the negative number one by one. Understand? Okay, for instance, 1 minus 1, 1 is gone, right? And you can have 10 and minus 1 equals 1, right? And 5 minus 4 equals 1. So then 1 plus 1 equals 8 plus 1 plus 7. That's the total. Okay, I'm just helping you from here. So everybody, number 4 and number 5, please.
Hello? Was that you? No.
Nào, có tôi hỏi là
没有孩子会。这个98是2个1起。 Well, get wrong on that one.
Athene, 你要去呗。It's okay, you can go poo poo. But just remember, don't bring your computer to the toilet, okay? Because we don't want to see that. Ava doesn't know that joke, right? Ava, let me tell you this joke, okay? So there's once there, I have a very good student, and yeah, Ava know that. I told him. So he really enjoyed the math class with all of us, and he doesn't want to miss anything, okay? So he wanted to go to poo poo, okay? So he said, okay, Miss Carrie, can I go to the washroom? And I said, of course, you can go. Okay, so he said, I just don't want to miss any minutes. And said, oh, I'm sorry. There's something that I cannot ask you to stop pooping, right? So this is something you cannot hold. And you know what? He bring the computer to the washroom and he forgot to turn off the camera. And you know, the whole entire class, we kind of recorded. So the whole entire class gets see his butt, and we can just redo it again, because we recorded. So that's a joke. So everybody, if you want to go to the washroom, I always remind them, please don't take the computer to the washroom, or just to remember to turn off your camera. Okay, Eva, understand? So this is a joke. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at number 4, okay? So we're plus them together. So 1 + 5 + 7 = 13, and 13 + 10 = 23, and 23 + 1 = 24, and 24 + 8 = 32. But remember, we need to -1, -4, and -9. So altogether is 32 - 14 = 18. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 18 divided by 9 = 2. So
Probably
this
wrong.
one, the meaning is 2. Okay.
Probably wrong.
So now I'm going to take a look at how to put them in order. For the negative number, the bigger the number, the smaller the value. Understand, Emma? So the
Oh.
bigger the number, the smaller the value. So -9, -4, -1. Then 1, 1. And I strongly suggest you, when you get the number right down, just to cross them, okay? So then 5, then 7, then 8, and 10. Okay, so what is a middle number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a middle number. So for this one, the median is 1. So what is a mode? The mode is which number appeared the most? 1. So the mean is 2, the median is 1, and the mode is also 1. Understand for this question? Okay, so Brandy, understand? Okay, so let's take a look at number 5. Number 5 is the easiest question because there's nothing but bigger number, okay? So everybody, I still want you to sometimes, so put them into order first. 3, 3, 12, 23,
我觉得那个
40,
mode-
and 98. Correct,
我觉得
everybody?
那个 mode 是29.83。
我们看看啊，哪个第5天
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Emma told me
The mean,
the mean is 29 something, okay?
29.83.
So let's take a look at this one. So first, Ava, can you tell me what is a mode?
3.
Very good. And Brandy, can you tell me what is a median? So basically these two numbers, right? So it's 35. So you can say 35 over 2. I'm going to accept it as answer if you don't want to simplify it, okay? So what does it mean? So first we need to plus them together. So 6 + 35 + 138. So 41, so it's 179. 179 divided by what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this looks not a very friendly answer, right? So if you want to, you can just put it like that, right? Okay. So equals what? Equals 2. So 179 divided by 6. So 2, so 59, 69, 54. Yeah, Emma, I'm sorry, you get it wrong. So the answer is
Aw.
29 and 5/6. So
Aw.
that is the answer. Get it, everybody? So just the bigger number calculations, Brandy. But if you don't want to do that, fine. I accept it if you give me the answer 179/6.
Wait, but-
Understand? Okay?
But
你直接给我
0.83
这样，
is
我也
kind of
接受的
close.
Okay, Eva? So don't be scared, okay?
But 0.83 is kind of close. Kind
没
of.
有 close, 只有对或者错，就是错了。Okay, so everybody, so this will be the part that I'm not going to torture you. So let's take a look at, yeah, I know, this one. Look at Eva's eyes. Okay, so now let's move forward to the number, which is word problem. Okay, so which is a word problem. Okay, so let's take a look at, okay, this one, okay. So everybody, there are 6 natural numbers. 为什么有人在我这里写了个5？没有啊，跟5没有关系啊。So there are 6 natural numbers. So what is 6 natural numbers? So that means they're whole numbers, okay? Brandy, Lilac, understand? 没有小数点，没有分数， whole numbers, okay? Their mean is 7. Okay, everybody, so they're gonna be 不要画画了，一共6个数字 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 numbers, and their mean is 7, the average of 7. So what does it mean? Remember, 老师跟你们说过的 what is the mean of average? 在开始的时候我们就做过这件事情。Okay, Brandy.
Like the same?
Yeah, makes them the same. Very good. So that means 一开始这7个数字6个数字是什么东西 I don't know. But now they're same, correct? So what can I do? So what do I know from it? What do I know from it? Everybody? What do I know from it? If now there's, okay, Ava.
That like when they all add together, there it's 42.
Great job. Very good. Good job, Ava. Because now I don't know originally what are they, but I know like if I plus them together, they are 42. Understand, Athene? Understand, Ava? Because 42 divided by 6 equals what, Emma? 7. So we know 7 times 6 equals 42. So we know all these numbers plus together equals 42. Okay, so let's read the second number, second line. The meaning of the first 4 number is 8. Who can tell me what can we know from this sentence, Potato King?
That the first 4 numbers are 8.
Huh? First 4 numbers 8? No.
Oh,
First
the,
4 number.
the average of the first numbers are 8.
Very good. You just are basically reading the sentence. I want you to get something from the sentence. For instance, the first sentence we read, the average of 6 number is 7. So we know these 6 numbers plus together equals 42, right? And now we have the second sentence. The first 4 numbers average is 8. Can you tell me, imply from the sentence we get what? Brandy.
They equal to 32.
Very good. These 4 numbers plus together equals
Oh, yeah.
32. Very good. Okay. So it doesn't say anything yet. Okay. But the second one is the 4th number is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means this number is 11. Everybody correct? Okay. So now they want you to calculate the average of the last 3 numbers. Okay, I'm going to stop here and I want you to think about it, how to do this one. I think some of you may get the answer. Okay, so the whole 6 number plus together equals 42. And these four numbers plus together equals 32. And this number is 11. And then we want to find out what is the average of these three numbers. So how do we calculate the average? Is these three numbers plus together equals something and divided by what? Divided by 3.
Three.
Okay, so do we know this number?
11.
Okay, so do we know
No.
these two
No.
numbers?
7.
But
No.
can we find out what are these ones?
Yeah.
How to do it?
That minus that.
Very good. 42 minus 32 because the whole entire six number is 42. And the whole entire, these four numbers 32. 那这两个加起来等于多少？ 10.
10.
Very good. So 11 plus 10 equals what? 21. 21 divided by 3 equals what? 7. So the number is 7. Get it, everybody? Okay, I'm going to stop here and I'll ask you to do it yourself again. Okay, 每个小朋友自己做一遍。Do you want me to explain again, everybody? Do you want me to explain again? No? Okay, good.
Nope.
What do you mean, like they're mean and 7? Like they are 7? Like all of the one, these numbers are 7.
那 mean 怎么算出来的？ How do we calculate mean?
Mean
把
is
每个数字加起来
yeah. So all of these are
除以
mean
6，对不对？
7. Yeah.
等于7，对不对？
Mhm.
那所以加起来是不是等于42？
Oh.
因为6乘以7是不是等于40？
Oh. E.
继续啊。
Then one numbers is 8. So the mean is 8. First numbers mean.
Y 21.
No. Y divided by 2。
嗯
这4个数字加起来等于32，这6个数字加起来等于42，那这2个数字加起来等于，对啊，那等于多少？42减32等于11。Okay, very good. Everybody, I hope you understand this question very well. Okay, so this is train your brain. Okay, so the calculation is not going to do anything. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So now let's take a look at this one. Class A has 50 students and class B has 40 students in the test. Okay, class A has average of 85 points and class A and B has average score of 81 points. Okay, so now I'm going to explain these questions because I think none of your class is doing average points at all, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So Enzo, for instance, you are in class A, okay? 在这个 class A 里面呢，有50个小朋友 ，OK？ 在 class B 里面有几个小朋友啊？
40.
个小朋友 ，OK？ 好了，那我们来看第一句话 ，Class A has average of 85 points. That means every single one of this 50 students, we thought them they have 85, but are they really everybody is the same? No. Okay, for instance, Ava get 90, okay, Enzo get 80. 那 Enzo 和 Eva 两个人加起来是不是等于85？对不对？ Okay, so that is how we do it. So that means what we can do, because there are 50 students and each of you have 85 points, so we can find out the total points does a class A have. Correct, everybody? Okay, but we don't know how much is the average score for class B, but we know class A and B has average of 81. So some student may ask me, what does it mean? That means we are going to putting these 90 students score together, plus them all together, and divide it by 90, and we get what? 81. So that is the meaning of class A and B has average score of 81. Understand, Enzo? Understand, Evan? Understand, Brandy? Okay, so we know what? The 81 times 90 equals what? Equals class A student and the class B student all together 考了多少分？对不对？ Understand? Okay, so 50 times 85 equals 4250. That means A 班的小朋友一共考了4280分，那 A 班和 B 班一共考了7290分。那有没有人告诉我 B 班的小朋友 Class B has how much points? 7290 and minus 4250. Very good. So the answer is 0403. So that means the class B altogether 考了3040分。那这里面一共有几个小朋友？40个小朋友，那他们的 average 怎么算？3040除以40 ，get it? Okay, so the answer is 86. So that means class B get 86. Okay, so there may be some student ask me questions. He said, hey, Miss Carrie, how's it possible? B 班一共才考了3040分 ，A 班考了4250分呢？那怎么会 B 班的小朋友分数比 A 班的多啊？那你看 A 班的小朋友比 B 班的小朋友整整多出来10个人啊 ，get it? Of course they're gonna have higher points. Understand? Okay, so in order to calculate the average, it is always what? It is always the total divided by the numbers. Okay, so because it's average of A and B, so that's why it's what? It's 81 times 40 plus 50. Okay, then, sorry, the total, right? So because this is average of A and B, this is the number of the student of A and B. And if you want to calculate how much scores does class A have is 85 times 40. That's a class A. And using this one minus this one equals what? Sorry, 50. Understand, everybody? So now I want you to do it from the very beginning yourself. Okay, if you don't understand why you're doing that, you can always ask me questions. Okay, 老师可以再给你们讲一遍。
My brain stopped working.
Because you're not even focusing, Emma. You're not focusing. Yeah, so focus it.
Okay.
去洗个脸。
妈妈
几
点上课？
这个6点钟，5点半，6点钟，Emma 妈妈会来接你。怎么了？
Okay. Bro, I wrote 2 whole pages.
你休息好了吗？
Yeah.
然后你
跳。
你在跳了？
Hit dwarf. 你 hit dwarf 呢？我 dwarf 什么 dwarf？
对，你当着所有的人面打你妈妈，你看我都录下来，我跟你说。Yeah, so I'm gonna record it and send it to the YouTube. 然后每个人都看到你打我。
We're not even listening to you.
Yeah, I'm so sad.
You want to
Run, run. Nobody even pay attention to me at all. I'm so-
They're too focused.
yeah.
It's Lamoa.
I think 你就一直玩好了啊，这道题目会不会做啊？不会做打屁股了。
I'm gonna
Get
abduct you.
kidnapped.
OK，多，回去跳吧。
Exactly.
I was
That's not
figuring out where the 90 came from, and then you went way past my limit. So I was like, oh,
Because the average of Class A and Class B is 81。
uh-huh.
那也就是说，他们所有的人 A 班和 B 班所有人的考分除以90，是不是等于 81了？
所以
yeah， 所以
so
A
the
班加 B 班
加 B
等于81
81
times
times
90。
90。
那这 A 班加 B
哦
班一共考了这么多分呀，对不对？那减去 A 班的分，是不是剩下就是 B 班的分？
对，就是
对啊，B 班多
哦
少分，然后再除以 B 班有多少人，你就知道 B 班每个人平均分是多少。
不过怎么做？是81减 Class A
81乘以
Class
90减去85乘以50 because that's a Class A. That's Class A plus B. So equals B, right? So then you use B divided by 40. So equals
So
the
fast.
average.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah, you have to read the question. Okay, so
Okay.
let's take a look at the next one. Okay, everybody, let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so they are all together 1,000. Very good, Enzo. 1,520 students in school. Each class has 40 students. Each class has 6 lectures per day. Each teacher could teach 3 lectures per day. How many teachers are there needed? Okay, this question is nothing hard, but just reading the question properly. So 一共有1520个人，每个班有40个人。通过这两句话 when we read these two, Ava, let me ask you, can you find out how many classes are there? Everybody, can you first find out how many classes are there, Brandy? So there are altogether 1,520 students are there, and each class has 40 students. Can you find out how many classes are there, everybody? So first of all, let's find out how many classes are there.
38 classes.
Yeah, 38.
Okay, Emma, this time is very good. Okay, 1520 divided by 40. Okay, 有些小朋友说老师我不会做这个呀。那老师问你152除以4会不会做？会做了，对不对？ So 152 divided by 4
76.
equals 38.
76.
Okay. Okay, so each class has 6 lectures per day. 每一个班要每天上6节课，那38个班要上几节课啊？ 228.
No, but each teacher could teach 3 lectures.
Yeah, so 228 divided by 3, right? So equals 76. So the answer
Can't you
is
just
70.
times 2?
Yeah,
Because they could have 2
yeah,
teachers per
very good.
class.
Yeah, it's the same thing. So everybody, so this whole entire school needed 76 classes. Okay, get it, everybody? OK， 首先看到这个学校里面一共有1520个小朋友，每一个课呢需要40个小朋友，就一个班。那我们这个学校一共有38个班。OK，so 他又说了每一个班 ，Yes, of course you can go to the washroom and don't remember to what? Yeah, OK, very good. Ava is not taking the computer with her.
I know.
So 38 times 6 equals what? Equals how many classes are there, right? So 228. And 228 divided by 3 equals what? Equals 76. So they're all together 76 teachers needed. Okay, if you don't understand, stop me and I can explain again. 懂不懂
38.
？OK， Brandy 懂吗 ？OK， 如果不懂没关系啊，老师可以再说一遍的。OK，so let's take a look at this one. 好，这道有点难啊，这道有点难。 我们这道有一点难，我们有一点难，我们先回来看一下，我们回来看一下这个简单一点的题目 ，OK？ 简单一点的题目出一道。简单一点的题目出一道 ，OK？ 第一题 ，So 420, 210, 180, and 420. So please calculate what is the mean, what is the mode, and what is the median. Okay. So 420, 210, 180, and 420. So let's just
Did I
plus them.
forget to divide by 2? No, I did not.
So 180 plus 210 plus 420, right? So plus them together. This one's 600. This is 130. So plus together equals 1230.
No, wait.
1230 divided by 4 equals 308.5.
I did the point.
No. 1230 divided by 4. So 330. So 38. 20. Sorry. No. 7. 28. Then 2.
Definitely
Yeah.
wrong.
307.
I'm definitely wrong.
有没有人做出来的？我看一下啊。
有我做不出来的。
Yeah, you can go to what bathroom? No problem. Brandy, you can do that. So Athene, 315. How did you get this one right? So 600 and 630. 1230. Yeah, the calculation is a problem. Mode is right, 420. And medium,
Is 350.
180,
No, wait.
210, and 420, and 420.
Okay, that's
So
almost
just these
50.
two. So 630 divided by 2, 315.
Don't listen to me.
Okay, so Athene, you get 2 of them, right? Okay, 2 of them, right? But the last one, Enzo, the 372 is the calculation's a problem. Actually, everyone got it right. Give it some, Nathan. Evan, good job. Evan, good job. Evan, 2到3了，2个东西都对了。Very good, Evan fish. Okay, everybody, you should. Okay, Brandy, good job. Brandy 去上厕所了。Brandy, good job. You get it right, but the
又来了。
yeah, you're right. Okay, Brandy 说我不会算，我这步不会算，但是你写到这样子，老师算你对的。Okay, very good. So Brandy get it all right, and Avon got it all right as well. I'm so happy, very happy. Okay, good job. Okay, Eva, good job. Eva, good job as well. Eva get the mode right. And the medium is 315. You're very good. Lilac, where's your answer? Okay, 每个小朋友，我们计算不能再错了啊，再错打屁股啊。Okay, 计算再错打屁股. Very good. Okay, so now I'm going to
我肯定
Ava, good job. Ava, good job. 307.5. Very good. Okay, so let's do another one. Okay, 41, 25, 33. Okay, 这道题目很简单啊。1. Okay, so what is a mode? What is a medium? What is a mean? Very easy, this question. 这道题目再算错，我就打屁股。
Wait, is that just a line or is that one?
It's a 1. Thank you, Lilac. Ah, 还没有人发给我啊，这道应该很简单。
The mode is
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So everybody,
None.
so some people said the mode is what? The mode is none. Okay, there's no mode because there's nothing appeared more than once, right? So there's no mode. So let's take a look at what does it mean? Medium, sorry. So 1, 25, 33, and 44. Right, so we're gonna put them together. So 58 divided by 2 equals
don't listen to
29.
me.
Good job, Emma. Good job. Okay, so 29. So let's take a look at the mean. So plus all together equals what?
25.
Equals 100 and divided by 4 equals 25. So the answer is none, 29 and 25. 啊，可惜了，命算错了，对不对？ Ava, good job. Okay, Ava, good job. Brandy, good job. Lilac, medium 算错了 medium 不是33 medium is you need to put them together and divide it by 2 understand Lilac? Lilac?
Oh,
Yeah, you
I
forgot.
think I got
right?
the wrong one.
Yeah. Okay, so okay, Brandy. Okay, Evan. At least I tried. No, Evan, where's your answer? I didn't see your answer. Oh, yeah. Oh, Evan is the one who sent it to me first, but unfortunately the mode he doesn't do that. But that's okay because you didn't know that, right? But you're the quickest. I'm very proud of you. Very proud of you. Okay. So now let's take a look at the next one. Okay, Emma? You need to compete them, okay?
No.
So let's take a look at the next one, okay? So this one, I'm going to make it a little bit harder, okay? So -1, 2, 5, 3, 3, -1, and 11, okay? So median, mode,
5, 3,
and mean. Okay, still same thing, 3 of them. So this time we have negative numbers.
I swear I'm gonna be like the fastest one, but I get all of them wrong.
不要说话，快点做。
So mean.
No, do you know why you're always late? Sorry, slow, Emma, because you distract yourself.
Wait,
Nobody distract you. You're very good at distract yourself.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, good job. Ava, tell me the mode already.
no, wait, did it wrong. Okay. I'm done. I'm gonna check over it 'cause I'm scared.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, I think I'm correct. I don't know.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Athene is done. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. The mode is almost the easiest one, right? It's 3. Huh? And -1. Okay, it's 3 and -1. Come on. Okay, so if you only give me 3, that is not perfect. Okay, so because there are going to be 2 mode. Emma, hold on. Okay, so everybody, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, medium. Okay, so what is a medium? Okay, so let's take a look at what is a medium. Okay, so we need to put them. So -1, -1, 2, 3, 3, 5, and 11. Right? So what is the median number? 3. So the medium is 3. Okay, so now I'm going to plus them together. -1, -1, and 2, they're gone. So basically just to plus these 4 numbers. So it's 22 divided by what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So 22 over 7. That is the right answer. Got it, everybody? So I have, give me this 3 and 1 over 3. Very good. Okay, Eva, good job. Avon, good job. Avon, the fish, get them all right. Eva, the mean is not right, unfortunately. Okay. So we still have the medium and mean is right. The medium, the mode is right, but the half right because the mode is still having the -1. So everybody, we get Evan, the fish get everything perfectly right. Congratulations, Evan. Very good. Okay, very proud. Okay, so Brandy 加油 ，Enzo 加油 ，OK， Athene 加油啊。OK，
老
next，
师，
嗯，
我要走了。
哦，你要走了，好的，OK， 你去开会对吧？妈妈跟我说了啊，OK， 好好加油开会。
拜
OK， so next one， 拜拜，Enzo。OK，Brandy 加油，Evan 加油啊，Eva 加油，Athene 加油，好吧 ？OK， 看好了，下面的题。Okay, so mode, mean, and median. Okay, I have received some answers. Okay, this time is much quicker. Okay, boys and girls, very good. So this one, the first one, the mode is 4 and 6. Very good. So everybody, you get it right. Okay, so Potato King, you have to starting to replace the give me the answer with the remainder. Okay, because the remainders only happened when your calculation, but this one is calculates a number, so there's no remainder existing anymore. So and the plus, like you're gonna tell me the number, like for instance, if you're using 35, for instance, divided by 7, so just to give me the number like that. Okay, so the remainder is not qualified for any of the questions. So let's take a look at the medium. Okay, so -2, -1, 4 and 4 and 6 and 6 and 9. Okay, so what does the mean? The medium is 4. Okay, very good. So Ryan, good job. Okay, everything is right, but just the mean. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So these all positive plus together equals 29. So 29 minus 2 minus 1 equals what? Equals 26. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 26 divided by 7. So if you don't know how to do that, Potato King, so 26 over 7, that is good, okay? So if you want to go that, okay, so 26 divided by 7, so 4, no, 3, so 21, so 5. So the answer is 3 and 5 over 7. So that is the answer. Let me see. Even the fish. Very good. Still right. Athene, good job. Very good. You're right as well. Brandy, very good. And Brandy is the first one. Get it right. Good job, Brandy. Give me 5. Very good, very good. Okay, see, we have a very good atmosphere our class because Avon is actually clapping the hands for Brandy. Very good. Woo! Okay, and you know what? Athene is catching up as well. Very good. Okay, everybody. So this is basically just a calculations, right? So I want to just put this one, the fraction part with all of you, okay? So you're gonna find out, I don't know if everybody noticed that I don't usually do division sign. Okay, for instance, I do 6 divided by 2. What do I usually do? What did I usually do? I do, yeah, Brandy?
Like the
Yeah, tell me. What did I do? 6 over 2, 对不对？我一般不这么写，我都这么写。Okay, Eva, do you know why I'm doing this? It's because basically they are equals to each other. Understand, Potato King and Athene? So, but what is the good thing about this one is this is equation, but this one is already a number. Understand? OK, 如果 Potato King 给我一个答案，这道题目，他说，哎，这个答案是6除以2，老师肯定给你错啊，因为这个不是一个答案啊。可是如果你给老师6 over 2，老师会给你一半对一半错 because this is a number. Understand, Lilac? Understand, Ava? I know it's not perfectly right because it's not being simplified yet. But if you give a number, for instance, 37除以6，我们前面这道题目。OK, Potato King, 如果给我一个这个，老师肯定说你是错的。可是你给你老师37 over 6，你就是对的呀。This is totally right. This is totally wrong. So everybody, don't you get it? Okay, so let me tell you another benefit of using the line instead of division sign, okay? So for instance, we have 4 times 6 divided by 2 times 3. Okay, so if you're using the division one, it's 4 times 6 divided by 2 times 3. And there's a big possibility you're going to do 4 times 6 divided by 2, then times 3. So the answer is what? It's 36, which is wrong. But it's actually 24 divided by 6. So how do we do it? So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So the answer is 4. Get it? Okay, so that is much different. It's way easier and way straightforward. So now let's take a look at this one. If I give a question is 440 times 60 times 23 and divided by 23 times 4 times 10. Okay, so if this question is right as 40 times 60 times 23 divided by 4 divided by 10 and divided by 23, it's going to take forever for you to do that. But let me show you how we do it. So 23 and 23 are gone. 60 divided by 10 equals 6. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. So the answer is 6D. Get it, everybody? So this is much, much quicker, okay? And also, I noticed that Potato King, okay? So let's take a look at this one. When we do the calculation, everybody, try to find the best friend, okay? So for instance, we have this one. Okay, everybody? So when we have those ones, so Brandy, I want you to immediately plus these two numbers together and these two numbers together because they're what? 70 and they're what? 50 and 35. Get it? So the answer is 155. So divide by 5 equals 31. So see, very quick. But instead, 如果你不像老师这样做，哎，这里70加17等于87加33, it's going to increase the probability that get it wrong. Understand, Lilac? Okay, so let's just practice after I helped you and let's see if you could get it quicker or not, okay? So like I said to every one of you, okay? So Eva is new here, but like I told every one of you. So Brandy, you probably understand this one already. So in order to attend to my class, it's not giving you extra time to do the math homework or whatever, but I want to tell you the tricks of what, Potato King? Doing everything what?
Faster.
Very good. Faster. I want to tell you the
More
tricks. Yeah. Okay, so then you can have more time by yourself and do whatever you want. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Yeah, so like that. I'm going to make it,
Is that 1.4?
no, it's number. So how about like that? 1 second, 1 second. I'll make it easier for you. Okay, so yeah, so this question, okay, 19, 5, 18, 102, and 11. So find the mode, the median, and the median, and mean. Potato King is the first one who sent me everything, and very good. Good job. Okay. And Evan the fish, Evan the fish, very good. Brandy, perfect. Marvelous. Okay, everybody. 我们这个班级的小朋友真太棒了啊！做的是不是？哎，有没有觉得听了老师话有没有快一点？有没有快一点？有木有？有。Brandy 笑死了，Evan. Okay, so we just, the mode is 0, right? It's nothing because there's no. But this one, I'm going to put 19 and 11 together. Correct, Eva? Very good, Eva. Right, so we're going to put in them together. So 30, so these two together, 120 and 5. So the answer is 155. So divided by 5 equals 31. So the first one's 31, and the mean is, the median is 18. So it's none, 31, and 18. Okay, understand everybody? So basically, today's homework is going to be the question like that, okay? So we're going to practice a lot, but the most important thing is the word problem, okay? The word problem we have learned in the class, we're going to ask you to redo it again. Understand, Potato King? 哎呀，你们两人烦死了，长得都一样，你不觉得吗 ？Potato King 和 Athene 现在长得是一样的。OK， 我也来玩一下，这怎么弄的呀 how to do that? The background?
Just a new update. No, it's
Avatar. I don't have it yet.
I'm gonna make myself look uglier.
I don't have it. Okay, so everybody
There.
remember, 如果做 Oh, I don't think it's bad. I like that. So, Ava, Brandy, 你们记住了啊，这个做word problem 的时候要记得把过程写给老师。Okay, I want to see how you get the number. Understand? Okay, Athene, I like the lava. It's very cute. Llama, is it llama? Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
go llamas.
Okay, everybody, that's it for today's class. I think we tried really hard, everybody, and please think about every single thing teacher told you. For instance, what does average truly means? Okay, the averages truly means it's taking something. Some people is having extras, some people is shortage to make everybody the same. Okay, so probably like for the people who's having higher scores, having a lot of money, they hate average, right? They hate average. But for the people whose score really bad and they say, okay, average is good because it make me taking something from others, right? Okay, so that is the true meaning of average. And also remember, if you have the number, then putting the whole number together and makes it easier for you. Understand everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class, and we're gonna see each other next week. And have a wonderful night. Bye. Bye. Bye.